All right, so welcome back to another video. Just saying, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So just gonna do a quick workout, really, like just kind of trying to get back on my grind, trying to get back on my. Hold on, I just, everything like that. I'm getting back together. So I just kind of just need to make sure my legs and thighs, everything is good on that. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I think my shirt actually matches my shoes pretty well. Like, look at that. But yeah, I really want to make sure I get, like a leg workout, like some little legs. So I want to make sure my legs and everything are together, everything like that. So, the grind does not stop. I said I was gonna upload. I'm uploading, bro. There's no excuses. There's no excuses. I'm putting out content for every day for you guys. I know this is really like wave content. Yeah, I know this, but I can't see. I know this isn't really like wave content. So yeah, we're gonna, whoa. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna hit this. I think I filmed this like a while ago. I'm gonna see how I filmed it. I don't know why these do not feel that good. I'm such a perfectionist, man. I swear I'm a perfectionist. Like, I just like it to be everything to be perfect. I'm such a perfectionist. So, yeah, these make sure these get the thighs together. Everything like that. So, woo! You gotta squeeze. You gotta make sure you squeeze too. So, what? That's heavy. Yeah, that's a little too heavy. I think that's good. Whew. 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 Oh yeah, so like I hit a little bit of those, and then I move this. I can't really show y'all. I'm gonna move this. Where's that? Yeah. So I gotta move this. And then basically, is this supposed to be like that? I swear it's not supposed to be like that. All right, so now we're gonna do leg workouts like that. So pretty much you bend it, and you squeeze it. Make sure the calves come in nice. So yeah, make sure you do those. Woo. Man, that does not feel too good. I'm telling you, but I gotta get ready. I think I feel like at some point I want to do like competitions and everything like that. Like at some point I feel like that should be like my main goal. But yeah, I want to make sure that everything's right, everything's how I want it to be. Because why not? And then I feel like we can go a little bit, do a little bit more, so. Oh! With those, sometimes I'll take a break because I don't want to catch a cramp. Like, and everything like that. One thing I really don't do anymore is cardio. Like, Cardio gives you lean muscle mass a lot of times, or it trims you down. And I'm not trying to trim down anymore. It's gonna be kind of like a little bit bigger for size. I mean, my size is good now, but like, and then after that, I pretty much just kind of finish up with push-ups. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much the end of my workout. That's kind of like what I do, kind of like the gist. Let's see, actually, but yeah, that's kind of like the workout. That's kind of like the gist. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more content. More vlogs will be coming. Thanks so much. I'm like, all right, so take glasses off. So, oh, stop, it's a car coming. But yeah, so yeah, it was just like a quick type workout thing, like nothing too crazy. This video isn't gonna be too long. I don't wanna extend it out. Yo, this is actually like the perfect way to film this video. This is like a quick video, a quick working out thing. Like I just kind of want to show y'all. Oh, what I was getting into today. But yeah, like my workout, sometimes I don't really like my workouts to be too, oh snap. Can you see me? It's a car like probably about to speed, like for real, like you can see their lights. Oh my God, all right. That is so annoying to me. Bump, bump, and it still stayed on. But yeah, so I didn't really want to make this video too long because I'm just extending it out at this point, like really not focused and everything. I didn't want to make it too crazy long. But yeah, I just got to work out some more. I gotta work out, I gotta get my body together. I want my body to be a certain way and everything, so I gotta get my fitness going so I can make sure I'm good and everything like that. So what are they doing? Are they just gonna drive next to me? Like, it's like mad weird. But anyway, yeah, I just need to film more. I need to get more videos out. I need to do a lot more. This vlogmas thing is just so new to me. It's so new to me, but I'm gonna figure it out. I really want to figure it out. I want to figure out how to do vlogs. I want to get better at planning. So this should be what I need to do. Like I want to get better at planning. I want to get better at all this type of stuff. YouTube is new to us here. So like I just really want to focus on that. But YouTube is pretty much new, and I want to grow. I want to grow. I want to do different stuff on my channel, everything like that. But yeah, it's not really some video that I thought I was going to be posting. I feel like I'm rambling. Then I have to upload this. I don't know if it's going to upload. Man, this just, I got a lot of work to do with uploading. Make sure I'm uploading on time. Make sure I'm making enough videos. Make sure I got everything planned out. It's just bland. But 350Zs. So what am I running over? I don't know what I'm running over. Oh, this video is gonna be not what I want on my channel. That's another thing too. I don't really know, like, some stuff I just really don't want to upload on my channel, but I'm just gonna have to do it. I just have to get over it. You know what I'm saying? I just have to get over what I think, what I think should go on my channel and whatnot. Like I just have to suck it up and just upload it. It sucks, but I promise you they did not do my oil change. I'm not gonna bring my camera in here. I don't feel like doing that, but yeah, I just got a lot to do regarding my channel, regarding everything. But oh Lord, they follow me here too. But yeah, yeah, I'm pretty much rambling at this point. I just gotta plan some more stuff. I gotta just plan to be more organized on my videos because I have not been organized on them. But I'll be back. I'm bored myself because I just don't bore my own self with my videos. So